Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your earbuds VIVO TWS 3E from your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard. Then write Bluetooth, and if you see Bluetooth and other devices, press on it or click Enter. Now, you need to find your earbuds at the audio line. Right here I have it. Well, if you cannot see them at the audio line, I recommend you to check other devices, especially if you just connect them. Now, press on it and click Remove. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but leave it at the device list, I recommend you to select Disconnect, and then you can reconnect them in the future. But let's remove it, so remove, and if you have Windows 10, after that click Remove Device. Now we can put these earbuds to the charging case and close the case. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!